Lesson number 38 of 100 in the Jazz Violin series from the Fiddle Jam Institute. Okay. I've mentioned slipping in mode speak a little bit here. I'm going to give you a little more about that. I'm not going to give you all the modes right now in this video. I'm going to give you the 4 most important ones, which all except for one has been already mentioned. So let's put them all in the same video so you can kind of study this. I mentioned major being the most major scale, the most important. It was also called Ionian in Greek speak, in the mode lingo. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with a Hess up between 3 and 4 and 7, 8. That's our standard bearer, and all the modes I will talk about here will be compared to that. So that's major, or Ionian in its modal name. The other one I mentioned already was Aeolian. It's based on the 6th degree of the scale. We'll get into more of that later. And that has a flat 3, flat 6, flat 7. Comparing major to minor again. And flat 3, flat 6, flat 7 of Aeolian. Sometimes called pure minor. We also mentioned already Carlos Santana's career scale, Dorian. Major. Pure minor. Dorian. When I go by them fast, you can kind of hear the differences easier. And there's one more if you had 4 of the most important ones, besides the pentatonics, which are not modes, they're just another thing. Mixolydian. This is based on the 5th degree of the scale. You'll learn about that later too. Mixolydian does this simple thing. Rock and roll uses it all the time. It's simply the flatted 7. So you take the major scale and lower the 7th degree. Got a little more of a less zingy and more of a down-home feeling. Again, major. Pure minor. Dorian. Mixolydian. So the difference between Dorian and Mixolydian is only one note. Here's Mixolydian, major 3rd. Dorian is going backwards, Aeolian and major. Or Ionian as it's called. Those are the 4 most important modes to know. I'll get into the other ones, and they're a little weirder in the next video.